Wisdom from the wealthy mentor. 1. Don't work for money. The wealthy don't chase paychecks. If you're always working for a salary, you'll think like an employee. But if you shift your mindset to that of a successful investor, you'll spot opportunities others miss. The rich focus on building their asset portfolio. Every dollar invested becomes a tireless worker, generating more income. 2. Don't let emotions rule you. Many lives are dominated by fear and greed. Fear traps people in the cycle of grinding away at a job, earning just enough to ease their worries temporarily. On the flip side, greed drives the desire for quick riches. Sure, some strike it lucky overnight, but without solid financial knowledge, it often backfires. Build your education first and keep fear and greed in check. 3. Build your assets. On the path to financial independence, avoid piling up liabilities. Too many confuse luxuries with investments. They're not the same. The middle class splurges on flashy cars, motorcycles, or oversized homes right away. The wealthy, however, invest in assets first and let those assets fund their luxuries. They buy properties to rent out, using the income to cover that dream sports car. The struggling buy indulgences early. The successful save them for last. 4. Stick to the KISS principle. KISS means keep it simple, stupid. Don't overcomplicate your journey to wealth. Start with the basics. Assets add money to your pocket, while liabilities drain it. Focus on acquiring assets to steadily build your income stream. 5. Understand assets versus liabilities. Assets are things that generate income for you. Think stocks, bonds, real estate, mutual funds, or rental properties. Liabilities are what cost you money, like your personal home, car, or debts. Many view their house as their top asset, but it's often a liability unless it's producing cash flow, such as through rentals. Live in it and it pulls from your wallet. Rent it out and it fills it. 6. Avoid financial ignorance. You can be a top professional with advanced degrees and still be clueless about money. Financial literacy is key for everyone. Traditional education skips this vital topic, leading to common money pitfalls. Dive into financial learning. 7. Grow your true wealth. Wealth isn't just your bank balance. It's how long you could sustain your lifestyle if you quit working today. Calculate yours. Could you last a month, a year, or more without a job? That's the real measure of financial security. 8. Focus on your own venture. Keep your day job for stability, but launch a side hustle and nurture it. Instead of scrolling social media or hitting parties, invest that time in building something yours. Don't quit until your business can stand on its own. Why toil forever for someone else's dream? Create and scale your own empire. 9. Sharpen your mindset. Your brain is your greatest asset. Most people spot chances with their eyes, but a trained mind uncovers hidden gems. With the right mental training, you can unlock massive wealth potential. 10. Master key technical skills. Boost your financial IQ with these 4 essentials. Accounting, the art of interpreting numbers, crucial for empire building as it reveals a business's true health. Investing, the science of money making money. Market savvy, grasping supply and demand dynamics. Legal knowledge, understanding tax perks and corporate structures lets you build wealth faster than those who don't. 11. Spot overlooked opportunities. Great opportunities aren't visible to the eye, they're revealed by the mind. Train your thinking and you'll see possibilities that escape the crowd. It's not complex, it just takes mental discipline. 12. Handle risks smartly. Investing isn't inherently risky, ignorance is. Minimize dangers by expanding your expertise through books, mentors, or real-world experience, not just formal schooling. 13. Develop management prowess. Key skills include cash flow management, system oversight, People leadership, and crucially, sales and marketing. The power to sell and communicate effectively with clients, teams, partners, or family is the foundation of personal and professional triumph. 14. Conquer your fears. Failure fuels winners, but crushes losers. Everyone dreads losing money, but the successful learn from setbacks and push forward.